Welcome to official SLTV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share
Good
my
morning,
video.
good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listening to this audio. Me people in a salon today, na Monday, March 3rd, 2025, with me, una humble servant, PRO Samura, the political commentator. As today again, na the number 3 days inside the holy month of Ramadan, we dey ask the Lord Almighty Allah all we wishes then we will ask in the Lord Almighty Allah inside this holy month of Ramadan for make He answer with prayers then, make He answer with fast, and make He forgive with sins then. And we also they ask people then we get the upper hand, we get chance for support the needy and when I can at the aid of we people in the country, as we all know and sabi and understand thing not easy in our country. So you will God don't bless, God give you that chance, make we can at the aid of we people and make we support them. And also my number with anybody we want for reach me for more information or discussion idea, political analytics, you can contact me on +23274460045.
This one that
+23274460045. Me people in a salon today, I get two message for me again. My first message now today, me people, you don't become a topic of discussions for law. We see people in the APC, they not get nothing for discuss today. Na lawyer Lansana Dumbuya in name. They not get nothing for discuss today. Now this APC executive in names. I listening to somebody in audio by a brother where we all been in at the rapid on to call himself the APC doctor. He say this executive who gets they're not competent for this work for all their office then. He say especially the National Secretary General when a lawyer Lansana Dumbuya and the National Chairman when a Chairman Mikael Masari. Today they can't talk to APC doctor and for respond to APC doctor because some of these boys God just put the opportunity bless them for make them family and parents then take them for go with them and then Europe countries them. Today he find himself in America. If he ask her what he don't do for the APC, he not go show you anything past we the kind of social media for can disrespect responsible people and can disrespect people the way they work tirelessly for let this party continue for grow. Can more or less people the way don't work hard for see say this party day na this form way it is so today. So today they can put an in position. And also today, I therefore can ask me brother, the people's power, a series of questions then because in this media work with so when he say you're not journalist or you're not media activist or political commentators, if you do your media work, you get for try for balance in news. If you try for reach this side, you go try for reach that other side. But for the far too long, we don't see the way and manner how people's power they do in presentations, how they try for interview people the only way they at the side of Dr. Samura, for present the leadership of the APC bad to the public, for present the leadership of the APC bad to the grassroots, and for blackmail the APC leadership. This we not call them professional journalism. We go can ask the people's power series of questions then today. If you don't ever reach any one of the executive for try for ask them questions, for try for conduct interview with them, like who they see it they do to other people, that get for be me second message to me people. But before I go on with this message, I want for continue for inform Sierra Leoneans then say a new book the way it come out very soon where this book, the people and we come together for produce this book, for write this book, then call themselves Council of Progressive Sierra Leoneans. This book, the name are Legacy of Leadership. Legacy of Leadership. Now a book we get for tell you how the people that we don't come inside the APC, we don't lead salon, like the late Shaka Stephen, then get for right button, then get for right but yes Momo, and then also focus and mainly on this book on the former President Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma in government. Then get for right by Ernest Koroma. Then get for right but in ministers then get for right but in ambassadors, in directors, all the strategic people away and Koroma been give appointment, we help her for succeed, for develop a country, for let the rate we country as the fastest growing economic country under a leadership, then get for explain modern things than they all. The infrastructural development way and Koroma distributes now the country under in 10 years as president, then also get for enlighten and indicate all the things that inside this book here. So legacy of leadership, the book get for the out soon, and we encourage every Sierra Leoneans for try for get access to that book when it go down day na the public domain. Me people in a salon today, I want for respond to APC doctor. APC doctor, you say this executive will get today, you say they're not competent for all office then. If then people are not competent for all office then, APC doctor, you can show it today who that now competent for then other offices then they. As a political party where they oppositions, in functions, in activities, all they go on without no interruptions, without no objection, without no court case, without no court injunction, without nobody no comment for say waiting this party they do so in order at the constitution and the leadership they violate the constitution. APC doctor, you come and talk say this party, this executive not competent for all their offices. Then they see APC doctor. Me personally, I know you. But if when they know something, when they can't talk something, he get for talk in details, not talk out of malice, not talk because he get anger against people, not talk because somebody put word na your mouth for let you talk, or not talk because he see other person come molest somebody, then you self say make I go molest her. APC doctor, ever get in touch with anyone pan this executive where the party gets so today for say you don't ever get conversation with anyone pan them and the challenges say one day happen. One day get communications with anyone pan this executive for say something where convince you, where not understand, where you other people and they talk for let yourself know either not true or not. One day do an APC doctor. You just sit on America where you somebody can cause person, the owner self dive into that una can cause. When una yeri don't hundlons, then nun compunk, then good for nothing. People like them more bad. When a big mistake for let APC go look down, they go make a district PRO na bo, where Mohamed Moriba not even deserve for be a world PRO inside this APC party, when are the biggest political party in the country. Without that again, now the second largest city inside we country when na bo. For let this party look that kind of person, hundlon somebody we know one day sit on class today. One day sit on class one self even in your name, sabi writer. This party mistakenly look that one day make a district PRO. Now one of the biggest mistake where the APC make, right? So if people like them wire then they can ranch them mouth and people way better pass than mama and papa, they way born them, way better pass the entire generations then. Today, people like kuna APC doctor, we sit on America, get no offer where they offer to the people of Salon at this difficult time. Get no offer where they offer to the APC. Even the June 24, 2023 election way pass. So me, waiting you do on your own without the rapid unit, waiting you personally do on your own towards the June 24, 2023 election, as he said, it in the diaspora. But today, una don't allow una self for be misinformed, una don't allow una self for be misguided, una don't allow una self for carry away, una don't allow bobo the way no know the left to right, waiting then they can beat na the social media, and that una self they take for can disrespect prominent people inside this party. APC doctor.
Official
I want for tell you say this now the best executive ever in the APC where we don't get. Because this executive, if they not been follow, they focus and work by waiting the constitution tell them for do. By this time we for don't in a court with no regret, and I they say this with all my mind. The time they work for do with registration and verification. Now the time then that way Samura Kamara in issues then been they come up where we go now the Bintu money. From the Bintu money we go tripartite. This executive From that December year before last, we for don't start with registration and verification. But due to the election challenges that will be they go through, the executive be able to manage the situation until we come up into money. We come up into money, we go tripartite. After we then present the tripartite report, Dr. Samura don't sign, I present unto President Bio. Now the 10 the party leadership say now, waiting then at the constitution, make we go by that, make the registration and verification go on. APC doctor, some of una we say una land book. Now una begin come and cause people, disrespect people, molest people. We know one day try for like familiar with the APC constitution for making know say waiting then they do so now the right thing. Now waiting then at the constitution and the leadership they do. Una know they do one. Una just they allow Bobo the way no one day sit on class 3 waiting then talk now that una self the fella. APC doctor. This executive way they disrespect today, them better pass you, them better pass mama and papa, them better pass the generation and the generation yet unborn. This executive, you know, they able criticize them, they better pass the entire family. And this lawyer Lansana Doumbouya way una fasting. This lawyer Lansana Doumbouya na inge for bear most of una inside this party. Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya na inge for bear most of una na Sierra Leone. Able me people when God don't bless somebody, not fet and to a certain extent. Some of us when they talk today, we don't fet this lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. We not be known to the fingertip. We not be ever get in touch with her. For long we try for no. We be just been the follow waiting people and they talk like waiting then they do to una today una they accept. We support against lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. We supported Adi Macaulay. Everybody know and una self know. But when God don't say na this, the entire team A and the Macaulay are the only person we lost. Right? The entire team A from world level, constituency, district, region, diaspora, and national delegate conference are the Macaulay inside the team A na in one green lost election. Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya where everybody cause from Adibayo to me now to whosoever now, we all talk against him. We molest her, we call her all sorts of names, but God say na info dey na that office. God get a reason for that. Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya we go na the National Delegate Conference. He win. When Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya win, the day where we move Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara for go left and free talk with the National Executive. This same Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya na in Madabio is security then go all na hill station na that IMAT road then bitter molest and disrespect her. The seize in car today he not able to get that car. APC doctor by then 10 day he ever been come for car even sympathize with Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. You Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara way the molest Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya for today. He be ever sympathize or show any sign of robust to Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya with always the SLPP then don't seize Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya a vehicle. Diaspora then get their money, then buy vehicles there, then donate to the party. Samura Kamara take all them motka then they turn in personal property. Usai keep them, usai not keep them. Take they not body na this executive no. Samura Kamara be even take one green keep and then motka then say, Lord we compensate this man ya then don't beat and then don't pull him motka na ya take they not get motka. Samura Kamara been take any single motka for leg ya. Wait till now one Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya do again. When God don't put somebody before, you way they say by force, they put that person down. I swear to me, God, you go end up for become a loser. You go end up for become a failure. Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, now one of the best Secretary General ever in the history of the APC. APC doctor, make I tell you this today. Right? So if you not get information, try for fair information, make it verify your information before you go take your phone for sit down for record for talk. Not just talk because you hear people and talk. This time they affect most of una na the media today. When una hear somebody talk, una self don't come to conclusion for can endorse that talk without investigations. Somebody will say you na media practitioner, not to show you they operate. When you hear somebody say something, try for investigate. When una can upbeat una they talk them una nonsense and rubbish them at the social media. Some of us will they try for come around some of the people where they around them people for law we investigate. Will they try for do we find this? And most of 99.9% of the audios the one they release against this executive. When we can don't do we find this there, we they end up for come to conclusion say everything one they say a lie. Una just they do am because una want talk. Una just they do am because una hate them. And una not just hate them because they do una bad, una just hate them because una hear people and talk bad about them. Una self come for endorse for talk bad about them without them. No one they do una bad. What una want make this leadership do? This leadership right now, I not be one for say this, but presently then they can negotiate for release all the political prisoners there. Very soon then thing they happen. Even we always left the country, then don't recall we all follow we can at the country. The one that we get court case for make them go na the various court then so that then go able go drop them cases, then let them free them. Will not be one for see them thing there, but when they push people in the hall for can't talk waiting this executive they do under closed door. How not so naive so? People in the work tirelessly under rain, under sun, just for say then continue for sustain this party. But every day una can speak malice. Every day una can preach malice. APC doctor, try for fair news. You're not a journalist. You know one day do journalism. Now WhatsApp give some of una opportunity today for can talk. Even when una they can talk, take today over how many years una don't dey na social media, you know ever get platform. Take today no able get platform. Now, only some of we will be done mix with una inside the Rapidon. Now we they follow some of the thing the owner they do. But the Rapidon self, the possible owner all falla, when na MS Bangura, where he call himself the so-called CEO. For where people like some of we left that Rapidon, to say see the Rapidon they go today, not to die the Rapidon they can die every day. Because in the MS Bangura, because he can't contest for diaspora veteran chairmanship, he lost that election day. He take that malice day, go against Anes Kroma. He take that malice day, go against Minkailu Masare, take that malice for go against Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, Ambassador Ousmane Fode Yansane, then CDI Tunis, then Pope Kamara, then Cherry Coco and other, then Dr. Richard Conte Kaifala Mara, MS Bangura at the age over 8 years. He come able convince delegate there. He just sit down, he all dry biscuit na the potluck hall. As he don't spend over 40 years na Germany. Even Osi not get a salon. When he come na to Palogus Kuruma, he go lodge. Even Motka not get a salon. When he can na Logus Kuruma the length and vehicle for waka. Anyway, Logus Kuruma, may God bless you. If not to God, some of una been there at this party. People like MS Bangura, they not for don't ever cancel on because even side for lodge, you not get her. And you not go able to go in a hotel for say go able to pay hotel bills. Right? So APC doctor, if now una see you MS Bangura, because una they see and they can't disrespect people and because you not able campaign delegate them for win diaspora veteran chairmanship, you don't take that malice today for can't disrespect people. Una self then and rapid on the use that for molest people. I want for tell you say you don't chap a then at the wrong page. Try and sit down as a young man. Not follow people like MS Bangura for dumpy like the way we don't become a loser inside the APC today. And at the challenge MS Bangura say no get forget nothing inside this party again. Because everything about MS Bangura na Kongosa Kerango bring can box up. Now so it take box up we all na the Rapidon. We call this waiting they tell and a different thing. We call that other person waiting they tell and a different thing. I hate for say this, but today I go say this today. Una don't pass mark. Right? So APC doctor, if you not get people for talk about, go pin him mama and papa let talk about them. But come up be a lawyer Lansana Doumbouya na the most competent when he come for represent public, when he come for represent people. Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya na the best ever. In law field way they you know one day lose case, neither he ever get any problem with person. For make he get issue with government now for the APC. For like you see officer holding in close chairing set now behind the APC. But when he on your own, you know one day get issue with CID. You know one day get problem with government. For me they invite and na CID, he go sleep CID now because of APC. Una no go candidate for sympathize with this man. Una no go candidate for so sorry to this man because of the intimidation and molest the way don't go to go. Now for come and lie pan and blackmail and present and bad to the public. Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya go continue for grow. Una no go distract them and then focus on the work. We want for tell Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya plenty thank you. And now so we want for tell Chairman Minkailu Masare plenty thank you. For where una no allow una self or be distracted by these senseless and useless foolish people we not get one focus. If una don spend una money to somebody wey say they can make una ministers, una go ask am for una money. Because na him don sell in power. Na him don give away in power. When people and they go day and night for unite this party, some of una then negative fractions there, una they come for lead people and for talk something when they not one for talk. We not one for Menzo Dr. Samura Kamara in name by any of our programs there again. Because in name nothing we don't come to pass. The party they move on, not they think but again. If Samura Kamara want make we think but make it go answer to the CID invitation way then gear. Because somebody who na say they can become president, somebody who himself no say he go can be president, why CID for inviter he go on the run in the hide? Why he not go there? Why he not use this advantage for say yes, they can be president? CID don't invite me. Are they go there now, make them go old me let the whole country be commoner? Or are they go there now, make the international community can now fast for can give me power? Why he not go there? As soon as say, why he not take advantage of this? The man who say they can be president very soon. Why would I know that she don't go ask her? Pa, would they say they can be president at any time? But CID don't invite you. Why not take advantage of this? For like call the people of Salon out, make them go escorting a CID. Why would I not go tell them that? The man will lead follow with all the USA we did today. Una the cover and the either. I don't know if in our worship you go worship una rot in heart then. I don't know if in a juju go juju in a heart there. We don't do all them bad things there. Follow the USA we did today. But una no one year, one word una still the kobara. APC doctor. Fan waiting for talk for the day. But this executive, they not ever become distracted. They not ever do something where go against the party for say somebody go take win a court because of that. Then they go in and out for say they unite this party and then as always say comes 2028, then go bring this party in power. And we they behind there and we they give them with full support for bring this party in power comes 2028. Me people in a salon, my second message today. Now for can ask me brother the people's power a series of questions there. Because people's power is say in a journalist, he say in a social media commentator, he say in a blogger, he say in a social media activist. Well, electoral making can choose and then names then they we I don't call so. But people's power, I want to ask you a series of questions today. I believe say we they follow how the Umaru Fofana then they give a report. Whenever small misunderstanding can take place between we the APC and the SLPP, if the BBC then want forget details of that information, they I believe say see Umaru Fofana when the BBC reporter na Salom, they try for reach the spokesman of the APC for make it get in your part while he go get in touch with the SLPP spokesman back for make it get then your side of the story. But you people's power, from where this tripartite work done done. All the interview the way they do, the news they no balance. Now people are also waiting at the side of Dr. Samura Kamara. Now they no more the interview for present this executive bad to the public. All the people are waiting at Samura Kamara in camp. Now they no more the interview just for present the people of Salon bad. The APC executive bad to the people of Salon. Some of we don't convince. We don't see them. People no one for say this. Now that make it me as a brother to you. I say they can ask you the people's power questions. From where the June 24, 2023 election result been come out, where Mohamed Kone been announced a fake result where saying Agilos Madabio win. Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara, when are the flag bearer and leader of the All People's Congress. We get information say he lost Pandi Party executive for complete 13 days. He put in phone them off. Between that 13 days, the way the executive they call and they know they get them. They even form a delegation, they move for Gona in Os. Before then they reach Samura Kamara in Os, the insecurity then don't lock the gate. Then tell the party leadership say, so Samura Kamara no day. We are in Samura Kamara been there at the campus. The leadership of the party been don't come and pronounce this to the people of Salon. People's power, he ever go interview Dr. Samura Kamara for make it present that information to the public, neither waiting the executive talk but are not true or not. People's power will come out there. You are the number one person where we make an audio after Mohamed Kone bin don announce the election result. You tell the APCC, say, for law we boycott, law we not work with this SLPP government. He say, law we sit down, law we make a sit-at-home strike. He say, make we elected officers, they not go parliament. Me na the second person wey be make audio, I endorse that motion day. The next day, na in the party pull press release for inform the public, say, we know they recognize this government, we know they work with her, and we elected officers, they all listen on. Within that, what we don't make we position clear, say we know they work with this government. Now, this Samura Kamara come out secretly, go get meeting with Madabio. And Eskroma we make Salon people in Sabia, you know, inform an Eskroma. This executive, when are in charge with the responsibility for regulate the day-to-day affairs of the party, we don't make with decision clear, inform this executive. He go get meeting with Madabio. Passway Adibayo begin can cause before Samura Kamara go answer to Payans and say yes, he don't go meet with Madabio. So you people's power, he ever meet with Dr. Samura for me interview and say, why we been don't make this position clear that you come out for go meet with Madabio without inform the executive, inform an Eskroma. People's power, how you call Samura that action? Now betrayer or not a betrayer? You ever come and interview Samura Kamara on that? The answer is no, one day do one. We come out today. Samura Kamara beg the executive, then go meet an Eskroma, beg an Eskroma vex, but then still say, let them move on. Then move on, we gonna Bintu Money. When we go Bintu Money, the international partners, they like the ECOWAS, the African Union, the Commonwealth, the European Union, the American representative, and the British High Commissioner, they all been there Bintu Money. We the APC, all we aim and objective in that Bintu Money will be they expect say, then for go force Mohamed Kone for pull the result way he announced as Madabio, so that we go compare to we RRI forms that we will get. But when would they Bintu Money? Then people make them position clear, say rerun or fresh election, not to that then come for they not the mandate. Then say if we the APC want for go ECOWAS court, then go so we the roadmap for law we go ECOWAS court. People's power. Some of the executive members then don't come out. The CDI Atunis, Lansana Doumbouya, the Kaifala Mara and other. They say, then tell Samura Kamara, say, Lord, we march out of this Bintu Money because not to this we people and send we are for end, then not to this then we expect for Lord go tell them, say, Lord, we march out. They say Dr. Samura Kamara na in tell them, say, Lord, we go on. Ingeusa imas. The Bintu Money go on. All the resolutions, then the agreement the way Komoyanda. They not tell we say for pull Madabio for put Samura Kamara. They not tell we say for can do rerun or fresh election. You people's power, you one day grab for go interview Samura Kamara. Why he take that kind of decision? Way not to be expectation that, not to the grassroots their expectation that, and not to the people of Salon their expectation that. Why you not ever go interview Samura Kamara on that? You not ever do them. The people's power, we come out yonder. We go into a tripartite. Samura Kamara na go launch the tripartite. With all the expectations, say the tripartite again. Na info can force the ECSL for produce the disaggregated data where then come with conclusion saying na President Bio win. For law we able compare out to RRA reforms there. Samura Kamara na go launch this tripartite. This tripartite go on. It reached to a time, people's power. When the 7 people away they represent the APCD, then back off, then say, then don't ask ECSL for pull the disaggregated data, ECSL not agree. So then not they able to continue with the tripartite work, then go sit down. After 3 days, they say Samura Kamara na go meet them back, say for make them continue with the tripartite work. That information they don't meet with. People's power, he ever grab for interview Samura Kamara. Neither that information will come out if not true or not true. People's power, you know do them. You sit down. He just they go and interview people where they na Samura Kamara inside, then they present the APC bad, then they present the executive bad. At the end of the day, you call yourself saying na APC. even they play anti-partisan now. Because for like they go interview people away not to APC people, people the PRO for PDP, the National Secretary General for PDP, so be. In the interview there, they tell them say the APC executive now then say they win election, but Lord, we move on. That your activities, people's power now anti-partisan. Right? But I know they go that side they much. The party leadership, then they watch we all. Right? The people's power. After the 7 people and continue again, the tripartite work go on. Then come for with conclusion with the 80 recommendation. This 80 recommendation, we get the one way now the outside report way now the divergent. This divergent, we been get a lap and this divergent. Some people are waiting at the tripartite, then say, then for force the ECSL, for let ECSL do recounting, because we don't get RRI forms, the way the RRI forms don't show, 57.1%, 15% say we win the election. Then say Samura Kamara and I say, no, make we put rerun, then put the rerun. That divergent, the SLPP, they no agree for let them add on to the 80 recommendation. The international community also no accept for let them add on to the 80 recommendation, because they say them been don't tell we from Bintumani earlier say rerun of fresh election. You know, they not the mandate. You ever been try for reach Dr. Samura for make an interview and bring that interview there to the public for make them listing? Let them know why Dr. Samura accept that kind of offer there. That report they will come away na 80 recommendation. Dr. Richard Conte say, them been tell Samura Kamara say, make nobody not sign that tripartite report until let the parties sit down and watch over and discuss it. Now, beyond then, Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara take that report there. He go to an state house. He been then a state host now they take phone call some of the way they go meet and will be they see them body languages, then say they're not happy with that decision where Samura Kamara take. Samura Kamara no see nothing in that report where they say for pull President Bio for putting the Samura Kamara day. Samura Kamara read that report, you understand. You know, see nothing there like rerun of fresh election. He signed that report there, he go present to President Bio. People's power. If you ever don't interview Dr. Samura why he take that kind of decision, make it talk in Creole so that the layman na that small village go able understand waiting in the explain for make the public listing and know waiting happen there. He ever do the people's power, you know, one day do we come out there. When we come out there, now they Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara go sit down and OC make an audio. In this audio, is they say follow we call in the call for electoral justice. In this call we call for electoral justice. Now they the APC executive then be able to get access to that audio, then listen to that audio. Chairman Minkailu Masare be able to invite the entire party executive. They inform the regional executive, the district chairmen there. Everybody been in a party office, then invite Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara for make he can a party office day. For make we can sit down and make him tell we how for go about this electoral justice when I indoor release the audio. At the end, wait till we hear in our social media. Dr. Samura in blogger then can talk say, Samura Kamara in Mama don't dig him and say, if he go to that party office, then go kill her. Samura Kamara himself tell the leadership say, he not they go to that office because his mama say, if he go there, then go kill her. Then Sidoyan that take 6 o'clock na net Samura Kamara no go there. People's power. You ever been done meet Samura Kamara for make it interview, make it talk in Creole? Why he not go there and na in talk about electoral justice? For let go tell the leadership of the party I forgot about this. He deny for go there. Why he not do one? He ever do that interview? The answer is no. So people's power. How you go and let people and think say you competent or it present credible news to them? Now one-sided news no more it present to the people. People's power. Would have been at this executive, 99.9% of this executive, he get them all number them. That opportunity where they use for call other people and for interview them. You don't ever use that opportunity for call anybody na this executive for saying now this would hear people they talk about you, or now this would hear people and they talk about you. Now for let that person they explain, make it get in your side of the coin, or make it get in your side of the story. People's power, you ever do that? The answer is no. At the end, you say you're not APC. You say from 2002 now you begin vote. You say from 2002 you don't be member of this APC. But today, now one green person inside una all the try for police. Una turn una back on the party. Una they present the party bad to the public. Una they market the party bad to the public. Una they market the executive of the party bad to the public. At the end, they call itself APC. But they contribute and do things the way they kill that APC slowly. People's power. With no hard feeling, I get all respect for you. You are a brother to me, but I need for tell you this hard fact to the people's power. Right? People's power, as a professional media person, as a professional journalist, if you want for let your news balance, when you interview one person from the Samura side, try for make you interview one person at the executive side so that we'll be able to get the actual truth from waiting past, waiting go on where we understand, and waiting go on where we not understand. People's power, we don't get so many informations between the relationship and you and Samura Kamara. People don't tell we say Samura Kamara na in the pay you picking in school fees na Frobe College because he been don't confirm to we all say you picking the dude doctorate or waiting by the do one na FBC. Right? And you been don't talk until we self say you not go able come up against Samura Kamara because of the reason na Samura Kamara they assist for pay you picking university fee. So now because of that university fee, he even see the wrongdoings of Samura Kamara, but he not get the mouth for talking. He just they try for present the entire party bad just because of your personal interest or just because of that school fee or your direct benefit where they get from Samura Kamara. People's power, law we honest to we self. When we get for die, we all get for go now, we grieve them one after the others. Law we they do things then, we not go make we grieve tight for we tomorrow. May we they do things then, we go make the next all questions then go easy for we for answer. Not take your personal use for destroy other people. Not take your personal benefit for blackmail others. Not take your personal gain for present others bad. This, I'm not going hypocrite to myself. I go tell you this true here today. People's power. You get phone. You get all the executives, the number there. You ever call anyone pande for make you interview them? All them people you way don't get report, but the tripartite, the 7 people away they. You don't try for call any one of the lay interview, they make them say they know they take interview from you. You don't do that. The answer is no. But it already no more today. They call people, the leadership say we win election, then win election, but Lord we left that win, Lord we move on. People's power make I ask you these questions. Which institution we see at the world we tell we say APC win election? No institution not in at the world we tell we say APC win the election or SLPP win the election. The institutions then always can observe the June 24, 2023 election. They say nobody no reach the threshold for let them announce a president. They say no political party no reach that 55% from let the Electoral Commissioner Mohamed Kone announce as winner. Marcela Samba way they air the new, the report will come on at that we see it. The European Union, the report will come on at that we see it. The Qatar Center, the report na that we see it. In fact, the ECOWAS then they even congratulate President Bio for in second term winning where he gets. Now we the APC, now we do your calculation. Out of who not even get the 100%, we say we get 57.15%. Now we the APC talker. But no institution not talking at the world say, we the APC, we win the election, but we say, Lord, we go for 2028. And nobody in the executive people's power are they challenge you for make it present that audio or video to we. Let any one of these executive way it him up the talk say, yes, we know say we win the election, but Lord we left and Lord we move on. People's power present that evidence to we Lord we listener, either in a form of video or audio, without do any doctrine. Present that for let the public listener. Nobody not talker. If we do today, if we the honest to ourselves, Samura Kamara is the flag bearer and leader. Now we all been the faithful. In what we the faithful? If in don't come and tell we say, in and President Bio don't go meet na the round table for the election challenges they will get, law we do out of court settlement. People's power, you say you go school, wait till you understand out of court settlement. We all hear David Moina Senge the Sidon and talking all over the places. Samura Kamara na Bralona insist marry Torah. We even get informations that say Samura Kamara in Wef na in drive and 2:00 na net for let them go meet with President Bio. Say because the way and manner how the country they go, they're not happy with that. So that let peace then at the country. People's power with all them things that will happen. He ever meet Samura Kamara for making interview, say pa all things that will happen. So you know say self a mistake. Now I lead way for the way we did today. People's power make I ask you question today. All the steps the way Samura Kamara take as a flag bearer and leader, when na in people have been faithful, but at the end of the day, na in compromise everything. If na any one of these executive been do them thing, then the people's power will say if I don't date today, if I don't tell them the truth or not. If we for don't hear say na Chairman Minkailu Masare come out 2:00 na net for go meet with President Bio for love go into money. Let peace then at the country, love forget about the election. People's power will say una for don't date today, wait till una for don't tell her. You and the one that always molest this executive, present this executive bad to the public, talk bad against this executive. Wait till una for don't tell that person today. Now ya we say, would they whether one jai bobo we sit down Ghana, he come and lie say this executive, some of them go meet President Bio, then wear Dominion uniform. He say in get the video and photos there. Now 2 years don't complete, so take today not present one great evidence to the public. Just out of propaganda, lies, fabricated stories. People's power. If na Lansana Doumbouya, the National Secretary General, if na him been come out na net secretly at that time, we'll be say we know the work with Madabio in government, we know the recognize her. He and Madabio go meet. Evidence come out to that. It can be answer. People's power today, waiting the whole country for don't tell lawyer Lansana Doumbouya when na the National Secretary General. But the person will be faithful. What we all don't make with decision, we don't sit down. Now in common and net back without inform nobody, go meet Madabio for let them arrange the problem without court. Let them sit down at the round table, solve this problem. And that problem the round table now we go sit down pan Bintu money. That Bintu money then tell we say rerun of race election is they off na the table. Samura Kamara as the flag bearer and leader accept. People's power, ever come and tell Samura Kamara the truth, say that step and this is how we take it wrong. But today, now the executive, you the blackmail, now the executive, you the talk bad about, now the executive, you the propagate, now the executive, you the papiso, just because of the direct benefit where they get from Samura Kamara in people away in the diaspora. He try for destroy the whole party because of your own personal gain, people's power. Me and you too, we know this. I know the relationship we get with most of the Samura Kamara people in the diaspora. In Bralode, the Andrew Kamara and others, I know una relationship there. I know una connections there. Above that all, most of them people, including Samura Kamara, now then they pay you gal picking a university fee in Afrobe College. Because of he picking university fee, he decide for turning back by party today for present the entire executive bad today for let people see them as bad people. But prosperity go tell on we all the people's power. Prosperity go tell on we all. And people's power, you interview the way they do inside the APC, you not get no way or no form for help the APC, but now more destruction and calamity they put on the APC. Above that again, they go outside the party for go get interview with other people away belongs to other party for present this executive bad to them, and we are in themselves not get anything good for talk but the opponent because Nobody not in a party we go out for present or talk good but the company na other party. Everybody want forget winning over your company. Everybody want forget edge over your company. You dey go interview people na PDP say we own leadership say we win election but no left we win it, move on for 2028. The PDP national PRO self they can't talk say the APC leadership not responsible. Without no verification, no investigation, without not come out for do anything, una say Samura Kamara dey fight electoral justice. In which way? Una come and so we institution today where Samura Kamara dey pan fight this electoral justice with. Because the ECOWAS them be not make them position clear. Samura Kamara like and the one old Saloro, you not get mind team before ECOWAS tell them about electoral justice. You not get mind team before the African Union tell them about electoral justice. You not get mind team before the American, the African Union, the Commonwealth, the British representative. You not get mind talking before the known because them people ya all get document where Samura Kamara sign and then be don't make them plain and clear before I say rerun of fresh election they off the mandate. So for let the international observers, they all condemn, they say nobody not reach the threshold, then una they talk say as anytime then they can pull Madabio for put Samura Kamara. In which way? Now with the APC then be announced as winner. Now Samura Kamara then be announced as winner. This now my question to una. Right? The people in our salon, this audio it don't long too much. Tomorrow I go continue with episode 2 with People's Power. Una listen to this message, una listen well, una help me share for the benefit of other people. Listen the message, not tire. And I want to tell una plenty thank you una way they share me audios them for make it reach other people. As you click a downloader, you don't listen, you share them, and they ask the Lord Almighty Allah all the goodness the way they look for, way they ask for inside this holy month of Ramadan. May God give ya. And from the 10 way Adena media, una we don't stand by me. They support me in all form, through prayers, through moral support, financial support, in any form. And they ask the Lord Almighty Allah inside this holy month of Ramadan for let it fill una basket that with happiness, joy, and development and success. May God give una way to una the look for this world and next one. May God make anything una put amper, let happiness and development and celebration come inside it. May God thank una sadness. May God thank una fitna. May God thank we all al balau. And may God guide and protect we from we baddest and greatest people away na Satan. May God put unity among we and bring the APC in our power comes 2028. Una listen and share this message far and wide. If you want for reach on to me, my number na +232 74 460045 +232 74 460045. Listen and share the message far and wide for the benefit of others.